Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A-level student. So today we have to discuss one of the interesting question from October-November 2025 question paper. So if you look at your syllabus, you have one topic in IGCSE here in the mathematics, the graphs in practical situations. So in this topic, actually you have to go through the distance, displacement, area under the curve, distance traveled by an object. Fine. So those type of questions you have in this topic. Speed, time, graph related questions are there. Even though it looks the physics related questions, but this is also part of mathematics because graphs part are included in mathematics part. So here you have one question from the paper. Okay, diagram shows that speed time graph for the part of the car journey. Find the total distance traveled in 25 minutes. Okay, so whenever you have a speed time graph is there, if you have to calculate the distance traveled or total distance traveled, so you have to take the area under the curve. So here if you look at this one, this total curve, you have two parts. One is trapezium. Okay, this is, we call it as a A1, and A2 is the triangle. For A1, the trapezium, this is A, which is 60, and B is 80. Fine, height. All right, and the here time taken, which is basically 15 minutes. Fine, and this part is just a 10 minute is there. So even we can convert into hour dividing by 60. So it's a 1 by 4 hour, and here 10 minute means 1 by 6 hour. That's it. All right. So A1, we'll calculate A1 firstly, which is 1/2 A plus B times the distance between the A and B, which is, we call it as a h. So 1/2 A is 60 plus 80 times h is 1 by 4. Fine. 60 plus 40 is 140 divided by 8 is the A1. Then A2, which is 1/2 A times B, or base times height. Okay, so we'll take just a base times height. So it's here 1/2 80 times 1 by 6 means 80 divided by 12, and simplify and add this A1 and A2. You will get the total distance traveled, which is A1 plus A2, which is 140 by 8 plus 80 by 12. And if you simplify this these things, you will get here 17.5 kilometer plus this 12 by 18 by 12 is around 6.67 something. So total is 24.2 kilometer is the total distance traveled. So yeah, these kind of means example, topical example we have included in our website here. All the topical examples are there. Even you have worksheets are there where all the graphs and all we have included better than any book, Cambridge book, for the student. Even all the topics of graphs, algebra, sketching the curve, differentiation, then functions. Okay, yeah, so we have included all the interactive graphs and all in our these notes or comprehensive graphs. Fine. So even if you, let's say, equation of a linear graphs, here you have linear graphs are there, those graphs. So here if you go this one, if you can see here, if you click any 2 point, let's say this is 1 point, negative 4,3, second point is, let's say, 2, negative 3. So you will get how to figure it out the gradient. Then you will get the even how to figure it out the C. Okay, y is equal to mx plus c, and then you can figure it out the equation of line. So you will get all these kind of things in our comprehensive mathematics actually course. Fine. So this is kind of book, okay, alternative to your existing book, and this is valid till 2030. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy it, enjoy the studying. Thank you.